we're gonna go around. I don't know what the hill is for. I think it's a giant ant hill. Probably landscaping, you know. Give some privacy. But as you can see, Erie Boulevard right behind it. The laundromat. Used to be my landlord that owned that laundromat. Now it's a bunch of undesirables that own it. Lou's Bargain Barn. That's right off of Erie Boulevard, right across from the Fast Track gas station, and what I believe is the off-track betting. It's unbelievable the amount of people that barely make any money and they spend whatever they have at off-track betting. This way. This is Worthington Industries. I'm not too sure what they do. Maybe wire and stuff. I'm holding the camera again. See, this is like for water, excess water, snow melt. But they got a pretty nice building. Trying to avoid the bumps. Quite an outfit. Pretty neat. And it comes right out on J Street. Let's go back by Owl Wire again. But we're on J Street, I believe. Henry Street, which is not the greatest in Rome, New York. Trying to hold the camera. Very hard when it's bumpy. I mean, you need like one of those, you need a handle with these action cameras that has like a gyroscope on it. This is all owl wire. We went by this building earlier. I'll give it a different view. Got a lot of bumps coming up here. You ever notice that a city always paves roads that don't need it, but the roads that need the paving jobs in the summertime, they completely avoid them? Why is that? Maybe the mayor of Rome can give me an answer.